today is an important day for myself and the Beach Feet Academy because we're gonna work on this online programming for children. You know, something important to me to make sure that we have something available for children between the ages of 6 and 12 to keep them engaged, you know, to really have them really tap into our culture, Beat Your Feet. We definitely want to keep it going for those in the DMV area, but it's not just about that community. It's a lot of different communities out there who love dance. Braden has worked with me for years at this point.
Yes, years.
For years. So we love Braden and Queen Peter Brand World. But, you know, if I'm involved in it, most of the time he at some point or another is going to be involved in some capacity. You know what I'm saying? So shout outs to Braden Excellence Productions. We got some things coming. Just in case y'all thought it was over or you thought we forgot, we haven't.